Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. I'm going to discuss about the AngularJS intelligence in Visual Studio. So sometimes we are not getting intelligence when you work with AngularJS. So in order to get this intelligence, so we have to add few of references to the project. So the references are uh, the reference path angular.min.js, angular.route.min.js. So there are two things need to be added in the script folder under the solution. And one more thing is we have to place a uh, we have to we have to get this angular.intellisense.js is a script file that provided by the Google Chrome from AngularJS website. So you can copy this angular.intellisense.js and place this file into the a special folder, a directory. There is a C colon. This is a path basically. So you have to navigate to the Visual Studio 12.0 and go to JavaScript, and under JavaScript there is a folder is a references. You can just place your script file. The script file name is angular.intellisense.js into this directory and start working on the application. So we'll get the great IntelliSense. So let's start with that. So this is my project. This is already created earlier. So I just wanted to try to get this IntelliSense, something like provider dot and when. So I'm not getting any IntelliSense for when I click on when. So in order to get this IntelliSense, what we need to do is just add. So we already add the angular.min.js and angular route.min.js. Just drag drop these references here as well. So we added two things, is a min.js and route min.js. So after that we have to place a Angular IntelliSense script file that can be getting from the website. The name website is like it is. Search with angular.angular.js. So here you can just download the IntelliSense Angular dot. You can search with the IntelliSense INTLL. It seems to be IntelliSense is not there, so you can just get from the link that is shown here. So this is the IntelliSense. Just get this, just copy entire thing and paste in the notepad. You can just save as the same file name. You can just paste with the notepad for understanding. And later you can just add this file into the root folder. Just copy this into the special directory. That directory you can get it from here. C colon. Sorry. So just go to the directory, the special directory. So this is a directory. So this is a directory. Just place that IntelliSense. Recently, recently we created a new folder. That folder name as new file name is IntelliSense.js. Copy this and paste it to the special directory. So after that, you can just try to recompile application and see whether I can able to see the IntelliSense compile application. So compile successfully and just try to click on dot when it seems to be still not getting the IntelliSense. Yes, excellent. So I can able to get this IntelliSense dot when. So I can just when I click W, then I can get the IntelliSense. Then put a parameter, so it will give set what the parameter needs to be passed. So this is the information I get it even if you click on even if you a simple modified dot something like dot html as you modify. Excellent. So I can able to get the great IntelliSense after adding this. A special file is the name as intellisense.js file into the special directory. And one more thing is we have to add the two JavaScript files, that is angular.route.min.js and angular.min.js. So these two files need to be added. After that, we can get the great IntelliSense. So when I press and we can get this IntelliSense. What are the properties, methods, whatever the methods or properties or members is assigned to that, we'll get that. So just so this is about IntelliSense.